Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to add Cash App to Apple Pay so you can use it for easy payments on your iPhone or iPad. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have yet, you can download it from the App Store. Simply open your App Store and search for Cash App. Depending on your store region, you may be able to download it. Now tap on the Cash Card tab located after you open the Cash app on your iPhone. Now, after you've tapped on the Cash Card, you need to tap on Add to Apple Pay, which is usually located below your Cash Card image. Follow the prompts on the screen to add your Cash Card to Apple Pay. You may need to verify your identity using a Cash App PIN or Face ID, Touch ID. Once verified, your Cash Card will be added to Apple Pay. You may receive a notification confirming the successful addition. Now you can access your Cash App card through Apple Pay whenever you make purchases in stores or online that accept Apple Pay. To use Cash App with Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near the payment terminal with your fingerprint on Touch ID or use Face ID and confirm the payment. And there you have it. You've successfully added Cash App to Apple Pay, making it convenient to use for everyday purchases. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.